A story by Suzuki Roshi.
Once there was a young student who came to a wise Zen master seeking knowledge and wisdom. The student arrived at the master's monastery, eager to learn and full of questions. As the student sat down to speak with the master offered the student a cup of tea. The master began to pour the tea into the cup, but kept pouring until the cup overflowed. The student watched in confusion as the tea spilled onto the table and the floor. "Why are you doing this?" the student asked. "Just like this cup, your mind is full of your own opinions and preconceptions," the master replied. "If you want to learn from me, you must first empty your mind of all these thoughts and ideas." The student was taken aback. "But how can I learn if I don't have any thoughts or ideas?" The master smiled. "Emptying your mind does not mean you become a blank slate. It means you let go of your attachment to your own ideas and opinions. Only then can you truly learn and understand the world around you." The student sat quietly and thought about the master's words. Slowly, the student began to let go of their preconceptions and ideas, and allowed themselves to truly listen to the wisdom the master was imparting. In time, the student became a wise master themselves, teaching others to empty their minds and truly learn from the world around them. And so, the lesson of emptying one's mind lived on, passed down from generation to generation, inspiring countless people to let go of their own thoughts and ideas, and to truly see the world for what it is.